guys, it's Susan with the Outdoor Gear Review, and today, I am not alone. There's Luke.
Hey everybody, thank you all so much for tuning in. Of course, this is the Outdoor Gear Review, and this episode is being led by the one and only beautiful Susie. Take it away, Susie.
That's right. It is viewer mail day, so we have 2 more packages that we want to get to today. And again, we cannot say thank you enough to you guys. You guys send in the best stuff. It's always a treat when we have a package. And I can't wait to see what's in those 2 packages. So I'll get Luke to go ahead and start opening up one.
Okay. Psychic ability time. It's time to impress you all. Socks.
Socks?
Yeah.
Wait.
I don't know this time.
I was going to say, do you know? All right, well.
Wait a minute.
Wait, I heard something. Oh, that's not socks.
They're metal socks.
Socks don't make that noise. Well, let's just open it.
Okay.
This comes from Tan. We get packages from him quite often. He is very generous.
Tan, you are the man.
Yeah.
So let's open it up from the back.
My psychic abilities are not working today, apparently. So.
Susie has not had enough coffee.
No,
yet.
I gave it to him.
What do you mean?
There was only enough in the pot for 1 cup. I generously give it to Luke because that's who I am. I'm a giver.
She is a giver.
Gave it to him, and then...
But see, I'd rather have her take the full cup, give me the leftovers. That would make me feel better. So, work on that.
This is pretty funny on Tan's note.
Okay.
I like the way things are, though. Anyway.
No, okay.
Okay. Luke, some steaks for the climate tent you're testing. I use these steaks myself.
Oh.
He got them from Amazon. But listen to this. Weakness and deception.
Instead of strength and honor, weakness and deception.
Yeah.
I actually like that too.
No strength and honor from Tan. So here are some tent steaks.
These are from TNH Outdoors. I have not personally heard of this company. Now, when it comes to the climate tent, the Maxfield tent, there was an issue essentially with the production of tent stakes with the company, so they were not able to include as many tent stakes as they wanted to. It's like the minimum, but that is being addressed in the future. I will talk about that later on. Ah, yes. Sweet. These are nice tent stakes. Thank you so much, Tan. You are one awesome guy. Weakness and deception to you as well. That sounds like the motto of an excellent YouTube channel. Like somebody who has like nothing but affiliate links. Yeah. Somebody who's just making like a ton of money selling crap to you guys.
Right. Or who does the review, like they get it out of their mailbox, open it up. This product is awesome. It's excellent.
Make sure to click on the link down below and give me some money. It's so funny how many channels do that. Whatever.
They do.
Not us though.
Anyway, moving on.
Moving on, we have this package right here. This comes from Steve. Steve, thank you so much, buddy. I have to ask you, my friend, what is in the box? I would screen that out, but we are actually at a park right now. That would be a bad idea.
Yeah, other people hiking and could scare them. So anyway, you could silently scream it.
What do you think this is?
I don't know, but I better stop shaking it. It says fragile. Okay, fragile.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fragile. I'm guessing it's a rolled up sweater. I don't know why. Fragile, but...
A rolled up sweater?
Yeah. If you all haven't learned this yet, I have the world's worst psychic abilities. Ah, what do we got?
Ooh, do I see coffee?
Oh, it's coffee.
Ooh.
Base Camp Blend.
Kuju. Ooh, I like the name.
Yeah,
Kuju.
me too. Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, buddy.
Nice. Don't use your knife on that one.
No knife. Why do my instincts
You
tell me?
want to do it, yeah.
I don't like being told what to do. Steve, thank you so much, buddy. Whoa.
Oh, nice.
Sweet.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, so what we have here is the Radiant 300 rechargeable lantern. Wow, that is awesome.
Look on the side. They're like charging their phone.
That is really, really cool.
I see all the makings of a trip coming together.
Yes, definitely. Wow, that is really, really nice. Thank you so much.
That is nice.
So it's just like a wooden sticker that sticks to bottles.
If we're not camping, I'm not going. Oh, that's cute.
That is awesome.
Hey, those are cute.
Yeah, so those are like biodegradable. It's not vinyl.
Hey, that one's really nice.
Yeah.
Trailblazer. So they're weather resistant, they're flexible. Hey, I would stick that on a bottle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Very, very cool, man.
Very nice.
Yeah, thank you so much. A very special thank you goes out to Steve and to Tan. Thank you very much for everything, folks. Wow, we are so lucky. We really are.
Yeah, you guys are awesome.
I think that's probably the coolest aspect to the channel, and what encourages us the most is the kindness that you all show us. There's not a day that goes by where someone doesn't say thank you, and that really means a lot.
It does, and it's also nice to see that the outdoor community, they are so kind and nice, and that's exactly what we need in today's world. We need more of that, and you guys set a great example for it, and what we do is very rewarding for us, and it does encourage us to keep doing it, keep going. So thank you guys.
Yeah, thank you so much. You know, getting off track here just for like 1 second, talking about like how good the community here is. Like the outdoor community is amazing, but of course I'm into cameras and photography and stuff like that. Now you want to talk about polar opposites. Like the camera community is so incredibly negative. They eat their own, like it's vicious.
Yeah, I think we find that in a lot of different communities. People just aren't kind, unfortunately.
Because of that, I want to say a special thank you to you all for just being kind, good people. Those who venture into the outdoors, who truly appreciate nature, they're on a different level than everybody else. And you can see it. You can see that dark side over there, and where you still have good people over here.
Yeah, I think it's those people. They need more outdoors.
Yeah.
Yeah, we know the secret. You guys know the secret. I think that's it, really.
That's pretty much it. Now, of course, I'm not saying everybody who is into photography or whatever is dark, but I'm just talking about as a community as a whole. I'm done. Thank you all very much. Strength and honor. Wow. It's coffee time.
Bye.
Bye. Also, I apologize for the weak audio. Susie left the mic at the house, so there you go. I forgot that.